Many people with back pain are looking for alternative forms of treatment to avoid the side effects of Western medicine. We have an expert in holistic practitioner with us today. Allison, can you tell us what's the difference between holistic healthcare and traditional Western medicine?
Well, typically when people have an injury or an ailment, they go to the doctor, and the doctor will look at their symptoms, make a diagnosis, and prescribe some medication for the person to take. And sometimes this medication has adverse side effects. On the other hand, with holistic health practices, they don't just look at individual ailments. They really regard the client as a whole entity, and that every area of our body is interconnected, and that everything has an effect on different parts of our system. So with holistic medicine, they look to heal all the areas of the body to bring it into balance, and looking at how has other parts of the body made that particular ailment come to be. So not just looking and focusing on treating the injury, but doing so much more to help the entire body create its balance.
Can you tell us what methods you use and how a client would benefit?
In my holistic health practice, I do massage. And with massage, we use our hands and our elbows and our forearms to work into the client's muscles and soft tissues. And that's really good to detox the body's lymph system that eliminates toxins from our body. It helps to prevent disease and injury from developing. It's great for stress management, sleep quality, reducing muscle tension. So many good things come from regular massages. I also add aromatherapy to my oils. And with aromatherapy, so that is using essential oils. And essential oils, they're either the scent goes into our noses and affects our brains, which have an effect on our cognitive function and our mood. And when essential oils are applied to our skin, it seeps in and it helps different skin conditions. So that's really good to incorporate into the treatment. I also use energy healing, such as Reiki. And with Reiki, it's a hands-on type of treatment that the practitioner uses, and it's not the practitioner putting their energy into the client. It's more acting like a straw, like a harness, visualizing and intending with intentions for health and wellness to occur into the client. Axitonal alignment is another form of energy healing I use, where there's again light touches, because the body with the energy systems, it doesn't like tough manipulation. It works more on touches and intentions. So with the axitonal alignment, doing a whole sequence of sacred geometry on the client's body. So those are predominantly the ones. I also use reflexology. And with reflexology, that's a type of treatment where the notion of in our hands and in our feet, there's different glands in our body and different organs. They shoot down and have an effect on each part of our hands and feet. So putting pressure on different spots unblocks the energy from the different organs and glands throughout one's body. And I also do things like hot stone massage, chair massage, life coaching, counseling, things like that.
Okay, great. Can you tell us, why did you become a health practitioner in holistic medicine?
Personally, I want to make the world a better place. That's my driving force in life. And it's a very, very rewarding job to be able to have such an intimate connection with somebody by, giving them a massage and connecting with what their physical problems and mental problems are to help them with those issues. A lot of clients come to me and they're very stressed out. They've got a lot of tension going on, maybe some digestion issues. And, once we have our consecutive sessions, I see a big difference in them. And so it's really a great feeling.
Well, that sounds great. If you're looking for a holistic health practitioner, I urge you to find Allison Greenbaum on Facebook. Thanks.